Listen to a group of teenagers talking, and you might think you've stumbled upon some sort of gang meeting. Hey, who are these people, man? Bloods, Crips, MS-13? See, often teens will use this type of language because they feel like it makes them look cool. Linguists have a term for this. It's called subversive prestige. In this video, I'll show you how to use subversive prestige to create more cool customers.
Mark Rodgers for Dealernews magazine. Sales success in 60 seconds or less.
Motorcycling culture is filled with a rich, descriptive, emotive language. In the Harley world, phrases like chrome won't get you home, or bustin' bugs, or get your knees in the breeze are some of my favorites. Other motorcycling terms that I love, ATGAT, all the gear, all the time. Other terms like tank slapper, high side, these are situations you want to avoid. When you introduce biker speak to your newer prospects, you can help perpetuate the culture of motorcycling. Much like In-N-Out Burger and Starbucks use insider language as a marketing tool, so too can you. So teach your new customers the language of motorcycling. Be careful though, you don't want to use too much biker speak or you're going to look like some kind of a poser. So now, go and see if you can't put someone's knees in the breeze, will ya?